because Build a Boat likes to do. Oh, this is actually pretty smooth when you actually like go straight. It's a pretty cool build. You know, it's not bad, not good. Hello everyone, Plumber back in the video. Today we are going to be learning how to build the truck that the truck that I drew when I was 7, the Tesla Cybertruck. It's going viral, and it's the new thing. The Cybertruck looks like a Porygon from Pokemon, but it's still neat. We should probably make the windows, you know, I'm making too many jokes, so let's stop now. So anyways, the Tesla Cybertruck is it's created by Elon Musk, I'm pretty sure. And everyone's going crazy bongos about it because it's the new thing. And in my opinion, I don't see what's so special about it. I mean, like, it's kind of just a truck. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, it's 10. It's 10. It's 10. So, okay. Alright, so we have our base for our Cybertruck. And then, how many blocks is that? So for the back wheels, I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try something. I think it's like this. Then the wheels are like. Jeez, that's hard. Okay, I have an idea. I have a great idea. We're gonna use servos. But we're gonna anchor them. So like this. So they won't move. Alright? Alright. They're not gonna move. I'm gonna do this. And we will put the wheels here. Okay, looking good. So we have our base for the Cybertruck. So let me test it. Let's do. Don't do what I do. I'm just testing it, so you don't have to do what I'm doing. So it should do that. All right, all right, all right. It turns pretty well. It turns well. Okay. So now we have to do the actual Cybertruck, like, you know. It's about. Actually, the Cybertruck is a lot taller, so I would. Let's give me a sec. I would do that. Actually, yeah, let's raise the height of this truck. We'll make it work. We're just raising the height, that's all. Right, now this part, we need to connect these servos to this part. This can be like a gear stick, so don't worry. Alright, alright. Okay, I think we're good. Alright, alright. Everything looks cool. Let's delete this. Alright, nice. So you should have this. Oh, and these. These need to be extended up. Yeah, but you're gonna see this. Hold on, let me do some work on these. So you shouldn't be able. That's fine if you see those, but you shouldn't be able to see. What if we put them on the servos? That should work. I mean, there's no reason it shouldn't. It's my first time building a Cybertruck, so wish me luck. Yeah, that works pretty well. Not gonna lie. Alright, let's go with that. Okay, so now we can actually start building it. So that we're gonna do the frame. Okay, that's weird. Alright. Okay. Calm down. Oh, that's a problem as well. There's so many problems. This is a hard subject. No wonder a person asked me to build this instead of just building it. Oh my. Okay, okay, alright. So, these are... So, the Cyber... What? How many times I said Cybertruck? That's an additional one as well. Because I just said it. To say that message. Alright. So, we'll figure it out from here. So, we're just going to build this bit. Like that. Is that too high? Nah. Should we add suspension? No, there's no room for that. And to get in, you just kind of get in from the roof, because we're not going to add doors, because doors are dumb. We could do headlights. I mean, that would be pretty neat. Alright, so we're going to do the back, and then we will actually start on the window. Alright, I just did that. Now, for what we're going to want to do, we're going to add a bit here. Now we want to do this. So, like, will that work? It looks like it will. Hold on, let me test this first. You're gonna need scale tool for this. If you don't, you can... I know another way you can do it, but it's gonna be tricky. Hold on. So I'll do it without scale tool first. So, okay, that's not supposed to happen. There you go. No. Oh, jeez, this is hard. Maybe we should move it a bit. Move it that way a bit. No, that won't work. That won't work. That might. This is the trickiest bit, I swear. Alright, hold on while I try and get it right. Yeah, just give me a sec. Okay, I'm gonna try it this way and see if it helps us. Alright, that doesn't look promising. Oh! Okay, now if we did that, it would look fine, but... Oh, dude, this is hard. Wait, if you have scale tool, you can... Oh, hey, look at that. Congratulations, scale tool users. You won the lottery. If you could somehow get it like that... I don't... I think if you delete, like, some of these blocks, if you, like delete some of these blocks, and then you tip it over, then that might work. I'm sorry, guys, but this is tough. We must win the battle. So how long is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know how long that is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. About 6. Does that look right? It does to me. So I'm going with it. Alright. That looks the same. Alright, cool. Now we just do the same thing with glass. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, so now we just fill in this bit. Oh wait, not there. Right there. Yeah, that's good. Alright. Ready to topple over glass. Oh jeez! Will that still work? Will that still work? That was not supposed to happen. I just remembered glass is a lot lighter than metal. Alright, but we're good. We're good. We're fine. We're fine. It only takes 2, it seems. Jeez, glasses. Oh, this is gonna be even harder now. I just realized I'm doing it completely wrong. I'm supposed to be doing it from here. I mean, like, sure, okay, yeah, whatever. I knew that. I definitely knew that, so don't try and correct me. Look, see, we have it. It's good. Look, see, we did it. Wow, look. This looks so stupid. I am really bad at building this. But I'm trying. Oh, jeez, okay. Okay, I know what I'm doing wrong. We're supposed to not have it as big of a windshield. Alright, I wish I could, like, scale only this bit. That would have been so much easier. But okay. Okay, we're gonna try this. We're gonna keep trying till we get it just right. Because the Cybertruck, I can't let it down. I just can't. I can't. It deserves to be built by me, the worst builder of vehicles, at least. This looks so stupid. Okay. Alright. Okay. I have a better idea. You know, I always say I have a better idea, but it's just gonna be worse. That's me. Okay, how about we paint this and see how it looks? Let's paint this the metal color. Good enough. Well, that makes it better. It's fantastic. Look at how amazing it looks. Wow, it looks so wow. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm doing maintenance on the front to make it look much better. So instead of a full block, we're gonna do half a block and see how that looks. Wow, it's amazing. Oh, we can't do it like that. That's touching the wheels. Wow, it's great. Look at this Cybertruck. Wow, it's fantastic. It's so realistic. Oh my goodness. If anyone who knows the Cybertruck out there and sees this, they're gonna be so disappointed. But should there be a window there? There should be a window there. Also, these aren't meant to be there. It's just full. Okay, there's something going on there. I don't want to ask what's going on there. It's Giftosaurus versus Mosasaurus, but okay, I won't ask. Maybe they're having a low amendment. Let's not bother them. Alright, so the windows are going to be like inverted. Kind of like that. And they're obviously black. And this actually doesn't look that bad now. Alright. Now we have to do the same thing on the back. Yeah, it's hard life, man. So to get into Cybertruck, you're actually gonna need to be tiny. So I'm gonna focus on the seating now. And what I want to do, I want to make it like open up, because like the Cybertruck can do that. So we're gonna put a chair there, and then a chair for other dudes. So we're actually gonna put a trap. I actually want to put a trap door here, but the Cybertruck roof is pointy, so I don't exactly know how we're going to achieve that. But I mean, we'll figure it out when we're done. Let's just focus on this bit now. So that's there, so that means this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's gotta be 7, I think. Okay, yeah, you just do that. What? My life is so easy. It's a hard not life for us. Oh, okay. Yeah, you just do that, whatever. Okay. And 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Epic. Oh, I wish they could be like lights. Oh man, I really should do it on like the low scaling option. That'd be sick if those can be lights. Okay, but we need to do this back glass bit. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What sense does that make for it just to do that? What sense? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You know, let's do 6. I'm a bad boy today. What sense does this pitiful... What sense? Okay, it's only when something happened. What freaking sense does it have to have for me to do this right? I am actually really angry right now. Nine. I'm so angry, I'm just gonna do 9 and hope it works. Why? You know, I don't even know why I should be doing this, because this looks like really bad right now. I can't even make it, and I'm nothing. How about we do heavily tinted windows? Yeah, that's a great idea. Heavily tinted windows. Man, why didn't I think of that? Stop. Oh, now it wants to work. Wait, can I do it with glass now? Would it work if I did it with glass? I'm so mad right now. Okay. Alright. Hacking! Like I said, heavily tinted windows. Heavily tinted windows. It looks... Oh my, I hate the new paint tool so much. I would love to just kill. I don't want it anymore. I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want it at all. Wow, look, it's the Cybertruck. Wow, it looks amazing. Wow, look at it. It's what? Right, it's done, right? It's done, right? Just realized the back bit is supposed to be like kind of fully black like this. But I mean, like, that's fine. There you go. Wow, it looks... Oh, he likes it. Okay, it must be good then. Yeah, to be honest, from a distance, it actually looks kind of good. So, to get in, you gotta get a chair. I said, to get in, you gotta get a chair. Put it upside down. I said... How about we just do that? Ah, yes, the Cybertruck is a very bumpy ride, okay, kids? So buckle up your seatbelts, because it won't be very nice. So we can go full size for this. Hold on. Right, we can go full size. Just give me a sec, I just need to get in. Okay. Get in! Thank you. That's the wrong chair. Thank you. It actually drives. Okay, nice. Alright guys, I think I'm done my tutorial. This is the Cybertruck. It's bumpy because Buildabout likes to do... Oh, this is actually pretty smooth when you actually, like, go straight. It's a pretty cool build. You know, it's not bad, not good. So, I think we did pretty okay on this. Besides oh, that gives me bad. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. This thing's actually really fast. If you did, leave a like, subscribe. I'm sorry I couldn't do my best on this. It's like kind of early in the morning anyways. And this thing is strong, but not the windows. And I'll see y'all in the next one. I'm just gonna have fun with this though. This can drive really well. Dang, this is actually pretty strong. You can actually like get pretty far with this. In half the time. Yeah, it drives well, and that's all that matters. If you want to use this as like a grinding method, then add bumpers on the front so the wheels are protected. They're like all around the truck. Oh gosh, this is like Mario Kart but harder. If this video gets 1.5 billion views, I'll make a tutorial on Big Boy Cybertruck.